good morning. Happy hump day. Let's take a look at Seesaw. I know a lot of you were curious since the class may have disappeared in the logins that you're using. This is due to the fact that all the logins were moved from basically from out of district, and now they're using the kiddos district logins, which is a much more secure format for the kiddos. Let me show you how to get to those to that part of Seesaw. So let's go to Clever. Clever is going to be the portal that the kiddos need to use to get into pretty much anything dealing with the district. So in this, we're going to log in as a student, and you're going to log in with Google. However, you're not going to log in with just any account. When I hit this, you're going to see that I have multiple accounts here. Okay, I have my personal account, I have my Dallas ISD account, my wife's account, my daughter's account, and then another personal account which I use for other things. So here I'm going to choose the one that says dallasisd.org. If it's not there, it should give you an option to add it. So you're going to put use another account, and your child will put their login that they use for their Chromebooks right here. Okay, in this case mine's already here, so I'm going to click on that. Once I'm in, you're going to see that in my favorites I have their digital textbook, and I have Seesaw here as well. However, if you haven't favorited it, you're going to have to go down here to Featured, and in Featured you're going to see Seesaw right here. Okay. Also, if you're looking for the digital textbook, it's going to be in Student Applications, and here it is in Pearson EasyBridge. Okay, so let's go back up to Seesaw. So we're going to click on Seesaw, and you may get this screen, you may not get this screen. Sometimes I get the screen, other times I get the Google login screen. Okay, I'm going to have to blank that out later, but that's okay. Okay, so that should take you into the account, no problem. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to let me know. I know many of you have been talking to me via Remind, and I try to answer the questions as quickly as I can, and I look forward to talking with you. Anywho, this is how you get in a Seesaw, and that does it for this tutorial. Ramon Lopez, out.